day to you, my wonderful investors. Hi, me, your lady Roxanne, over business, special case property. So yeah, I am at this beautiful apartment called Avocado Apartment, located inside CHOIS Garden and also located inside Abijo GRA. So definitely it is an estate, inside another estate and inside another estate. That is to show you how secure your property is. This estate has a good document backing it up, a governor's consent. We have 2-bedroom apartment, 3-bedroom apartment, and 1-bedroom apartment. This estate has a beautiful landmarks like the very mall ShopRite. It's just 3 minutes away from this place. The Diamond Estate, Emperor Estate, Lagos Business School, a lot landmark that will make your property appreciate faster. Do you know that you can actually get a spot here for yourself and do like a short lets, or you do renter, you do rent? Anyone, it is very suitable for you. You can see the environment. It's so cozy. It is so cozy. So what are you waiting for? For more details on this property, please feel free to call me on 07063907162 or 08151652972. And hi, waiting to hear from you. Thank you and God bless. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, K-Solis Productions.
Big body, I felt all alone. Chico Sanico around me. When I felt there's no one for me, and my walls are crashing down. If I ran, look, baby, roll. If I ran, look, Tommy G. Need to do the hero. I will never let you down. Oh, baby, you are my sunshine. Baby, I won't let you go. Baby, you won't let me on. Olólùfẹ́ mi, ọjọ́ ìfẹ́ rẹ̀. Jákòrò lé mi lórí, máa yí ọ̀rọ̀ mi, ọjọ́ ìfẹ́ rẹ̀. Jákòrò lé mi lórí, èyí fojú mi, ọjọ́ ìfẹ́ rẹ̀. Jákòrò lé mi lórí, adúmáradán mi, ọjọ́ ìfẹ́ rẹ̀. Girl, I wish your love could